You're watching F5. We're at Red Hat Summit 2023. It's actually Ansible Fest as well, all combined together for the first time. We're in Boston, and we're talking to a lot of folks here, and I've actually found the folks from Nexum, who are good friends, Peter and George. Good to see you guys. How you guys doing?
Doing well, doing well.
Awesome.
Great conference, happy to be here.
Awesome. Have you guys come to Red Hat Summit before?
We were at the Ansible Fest in Chicago last fall.
Okay.
And also a whole bunch of the F5 Agilities as well, which is another great conference, by the way.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. So Nexum, for folks who don't know, you guys do services, support, resale as well. Maybe I'll let you guys give me a rundown of what you guys do.
Sure, we are a value-added reseller. We are a managed service provider. We do pre- and post-sales implementation and support for our customers, amongst a number of other value-added services for the vendors in our portfolio.
That's awesome. We love partners like that. Like, you can take care of a customer end to end. Like, F5 can talk about, build a solution, and then we can hand it off to you guys, and they're all taken care of. One of the things you guys have done recently is a workshop, I guess, on, I'll let you guys tell us about it, but, combining F5 with Red Hat.
Yeah, we just recently did a interesting workshop, which was basically Automation 101 for network engineers. A lot of time, network engineers are a little gun-shy to kind of start playing with programming. So what we focused on was actually using the F5 product, learning what the API calls are, and very simplistically using Postman, and exploring the different declarative onboarding and AS3 type of functionality that's available. So once you learn the basic building blocks, it becomes very trivial to then automate your entire application, whether it's one single virtual server or many.
That's awesome. Do you see people, when a network engineer goes through something like that, you see the wheels turning on like, oh, I could save a lot of time if I'm just, do a couple things here and there?
Oh, 100%. I mean, one win I had recently was I was implementing Ansible Tower for a customer because they simply wanted to not be bothered New Year's Eve when they're having beers with their family and shooting off fireworks. They had an application team which constantly wanted a single virtual server and pool be down for maintenance. So what did this involve? It involved changing a few pool members and changing the I file that's being actually served by an I rule. So we accomplished this by using templates as well as an I rule that we tested in dev, moved to in production. So now the actual customer was able to have his team log in, schedule the job in Tower, have it run at midnight, and then just gets an email on his phone saying, your job completed successfully. Here's a pre-config, here's a post-config. And he's happy. He could go back to having a great time with his family.
And back to shooting off fireworks.
Exactly. Legally or not legally, depends what state you're in.
That's awesome. And Peter, you've gone through and seen some customers get some really good wins as far as combining their F5 and Red Hat solutions?
Absolutely. We're beginning to see more and more with the decentralization of on-premise architecture to various hybrid cloud models. F5 services are needed all over the place. And so with F5XC or distributed cloud, with Nginx for microservices and Big IP for your traditional deployments, coupled with Ansible, we're seeing customers begin to build out full solutions as infrastructure as code, being turned up dynamically and taken down dynamically as needed in their hybrid cloud architectures.
Oh, that's awesome. Very cool. Okay, so if folks want to find out more about what you guys are up to, do you want to send them anywhere as far as a website, social accounts, or anything like that?
Absolutely. NexumInc.com. NexumInc.com will take you to our website.
Awesome.
And additionally, our engineers do very frequently write multiple blog entries on new and emerging technologies. Right now we have a very nice one, very particular focus on ransomware. Definitely be sure to check it out.
Okay, cool. I'm going to throw links for all that stuff in the description of this video so people will be able to get in touch with you guys. Do you guys serve people anywhere in the US, or are you guys focused on certain areas?
We are based out of Hammond, Indiana, with a heavy presence in Boston as well as in the Chicago area. However, we serve customers all across the continental United States and those customers with global networks as well.
And also, our engineers are not regionally based nor tied to any particular accounts. So it's all based upon expertise. If Peter here is needed to do something with APM, ASM, then we send him over to California as needed, even though that's not where he lives. Same thing with me. Right? I could be sent to Texas to work on iRules, even though I live in New Hampshire. So we get sent around as needed to solve a problem.
Awesome. The right person for the right job. Great talking to you guys. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Great having you guys as partners. Thank you, everybody, for checking this out. We'll be at Red Hat Summit all week, so make sure you follow along for the content. Bye for now. Cool. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.